The decision for us to have a baby is one that was very exciting, and it was something that was really always in the plan for us. We both knew we always wanted to be mothers, and we wanted to create a family together. And sometimes when you're in a same-sex relationship, you worry about how you're going to make that all happen. And fortunately, we have a very supportive family. They are so encouraging of our relationship and so excited for our journey to be mothers that it really was just a time. It's a time for us that we're really enjoying it. Although it's stressful, we feel like we're ready.
We knew early on that we both wanted children. We both wanted to carry, so it was just like get married, have babies, and then we started planning everything out.
Our ideal sperm donor started with finding somebody that overall had a general, a good health history. That was our number one criteria, is we wanted to find a good, healthy donor. We started originally online on the computer and looked up different cryobanks that were online, and in doing that research we really found that Fairfax Cryobank was the most thorough in their selection process. A ton of genetic testing done, and just a quality that you couldn't find with any other site. So that's what really drew us to that.
And when choosing your donor, you can get as specific as you want to get, from height to eye color, hair color, skin tone. It's pretty specific. So
you have an enormous amount of options when selecting a donor. I mean, you can be as specific as you want and really kind of get to know the person, as much as you want, and really know just about everything that you want to about the donor.